What is a coding language that many kids start with? And we kind of talked about this already,
Okay.
but want to hear from you.
So most people, I mean, I wouldn't count Scratch as a code language. It's more
Agreed.
of it's more programming.
Hmm.
Programming is more like when you go with the blocks and that stuff. But if we're talking about coding in terms of text editing, like where I actually type with my keyboard, well,
Yes.
I would say Python is most used. Python. I used to do
Yep.
Python. But if I tell you my own point of view, um, if I tell you what you should actually start with, then I would say that you should start with the hardest and not really the easiest. I mean, I
Hmm.
have no problem if you start with Python because Python is really a beginner language. It's made for that. But I
Right.
would really recommend to start with C++, which is like one of the hardest languages to learn, because then you might feel discouraged at the beginning and you might feel like you want to quit, but no, try to wait a little more time, try to learn a bit more, and then it's really good to start from the hardest. And you might be asking why. Well, it's really that it really teaches you that coding is not like a walk in the park. It's not this kind of, it's not like a dog. I mean, even a dog is the same thing as coding. It doesn't do what you want it to do. So you
Yeah.
need to be able to expect failure, and you need to be able to expect errors to be able to finally get the final product and to be able to make it work. Because it's not some Disneyland fantasy thing. You need to be able to face the error, and you need to be able to face hard failure to be able to finally get the final thing, the final journey. Because all of these errors, all of these failures, they're part of the journey. So honestly, if you can start with C++, not only it will make you be able to withstand errors and loss and failure, but
Hmm.
also it will it will be able to teach you concepts that every single coding language uses very in a very early state. Because unlike Python, where you have a lot of functions and a lot of things that you can use as a beginner, if you go in C++,
Right.
right off the bat, you're gonna have to be using these to do anything.